Before we create anything else, let's go ahead and take a look at the Stream tab because this is very important. So I'm in the Classwork tab right here, but if I click to the left, I can go to the Stream tab. And a couple important things here, you can see that there is a theme created within the Stream tab. If I want to change what that theme looks like, I can go over here to select theme, and I can decide, oh, okay, well, this is a course related to, and pick something. Okay, so I'm just going to pick something fun, I think. This is kind of related to technology, so I'm sure that there's something in here, right, that has something to do with technology, or at least a little bit. And then I select the theme and it changes at the top. Okay, so you don't have a lot of control over what your class looks like, but you can change it subtly. You can also upload a photo. So if I went out and have a photo in here, I'm sure I do somewhere. Let's go to photos. There's one, open. Now note that it kind of only takes a portion of your photo, so you can sort of decide what that's going to look like here. So I could change it and just have a photo instead. So you can control slightly what this looks like at the top, but you can't control the layout of your page in any way, just so you know that. Notice here on the stream that if I have anything on the calendar as far as assignments go, that will show right here in upcoming, and if a student wants to view everything that is upcoming, they can click view all, and they can even sort through their individual courses to see what's due. So that's a really easy way for them to be able to navigate that. Going back to my Stream tab then, of course, here is where the class code was located, which I told you in a different video. But if you want students to be able to see that class code really well when they go to enroll, just hit that button and it will go big screen for you. And so your students can very quickly just go to Google Classroom, hit the plus sign at the top of the page, go to join class and type in this code, and they should be in automatically. Okay. The other thing you can see here is anything that I have posted will go onto the stream page, and it will go in the order in which I posted it so that the newest post is on top. Notice also that they are all dated. Okay, and I have control from here. If I want to go in and edit something, I can do that. I can also copy links to something. If I want to share something with my whole class, I have easy access to do that from the Stream tab as well. The other feature I want to show you, which shows up in all tabs, but I think I most frequently go to it within the Stream tab, is up here in the corner. Notice these three horizontal lines. If you click on them, there's actually a menu there. Okay, so if I have stuff in my calendar and I go out, look, there are my assignments in my calendar. Students are going to see the same thing, that they have easy access to their calendar anytime that they want to. Okay, again, you can sort between your classes in your calendar if you want. Right now, I'm on all classes. You also have access over here to To-Do. You have access to any of your other courses, and you have access to something called archived classes. So if you decide to archive a course because you're not going to use it this semester, but you might use it again, if you ever want to get back to it, you go to archived and you can find it there. Okay. The most important feature here, I think, is the settings tab. And I encourage you to go here and look at all the notifications that are auto turned on. If you do not want constant notifications coming to you about students posting on things and whatnot, then come in here and turn some of these off. Okay, right now it's showing you that you have notifications on for email, for comments, for classes you've enrolled in, and for classes you teach. So if I get bombarded by notifications, I can just come in here and get rid of them. Okay, so you have some different options there. You can also turn email and notifications on or off for certain classes in here. Okay, so just some logistics to the overview of your class and what the Stream tab looks like. Thank you.